Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless color all-in-one printer. A super affordable and eco-friendly option for home printing. If you're tired of expensive ink cartridges and want something simple, reliable, and cost-effective, this could be the perfect solution. Stick around, because I'll break down everything from design to performance, and let you know if this is the right printer for you. The EcoTank ET-2800 has a compact and clean design that fits easily in a home office, dorm, or even a small workspace. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and has a simple control panel that makes it beginner-friendly. The real star here is Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system, which uses refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges, saving space, time, and most importantly, money. Unlike regular printers that drain your wallet with replacement cartridges, the ET-2800 comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box. That's enough to print thousands of pages before you even think about refilling. The bottles are easy to pour into the tanks, and you can actually see how much ink you have left. No more annoying, low ink surprises. It's a true low-cost, high-efficiency printing solution. When it comes to performance, this printer handles basic home tasks really well. You get wireless printing, so you can print straight from your phone, laptop, or tablet. The print quality is sharp for documents and surprisingly vibrant for photos, thanks to Epson's reliable inkjet technology. It's not built for heavy-duty office printing, but for school assignments, work-from-home needs, or casual photo printing, it's more than enough. This isn't just a printer, it's an all-in-one. That means you can also scan and copy without needing separate machines. The scanning bed is great for digitizing homework, IDs, or important papers. Plus, the wireless setup makes it convenient for the whole family to connect multiple devices. It doesn't have advanced office features like auto-duplexing or fax, but for everyday home use, it's super practical. The Epson EcoTank ET-2800 is perfect for students, families, and anyone working from home who needs reliable printing without the stress of high ink costs. If you print occasionally but want peace of mind knowing your printer won't eat through your wallet every few months, this model is a solid choice. So there you have it, the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless color all-in-one printer. Affordable, eco-friendly, and simple to use. It's not meant for heavy business use, but as a basic home printer, it's one of the best values out there. If you're ready to ditch cartridges and save big on ink, definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.